we at Merlot find Triangle Tech graduates to be very qualified to come out into the workplace and do an exceptional job right from the beginning.
Being a small company, it's time is precious. So being able to interface with the folks and hit them one time and interview candidates and know that they're coming out from a quality perspective of having a high degree of capabilities is important.
From a hiring perspective, we actually prefer to hire from Triangle Tech. We've hired a couple employees through them. One we found that happened to be in Triangle Tech at the time. He graduated, now he's our primary welder. The second one, Triangle Tech actually sent us some resumes, and they sent us 3, and we liked all 3 actually. They come in with all the knowledge they need already, cuts down the training time. They have all the skills, everything that we would normally have to spend extra time training them. They come in prepared for it already.
Nowadays welders they're hard to come by. So when we're looking for entry-level welders, we like to talk to Triangle Tech because we've had good success with their welders. We have a lot of guys down here that have graduated from Triangle Tech. We're looking for welders with safe work habits. We're looking for welders that are well trained and welders that we can train and take really to the next level of fabrication and welding.
When it comes to welding, no one trains you like Triangle Tech.